Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited right now. My mouth is watering because I've been thinking about these for days. Well, not necessarily chili cheese fries, but coney fries. So I made chili yesterday. So I used the leftovers to make chili cheese fries. So I have a layer of fries, a layer of cheese, shredded cheese, and then leftover chili. And then I have like just some melted nacho cheese. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm starving. Oops, I made a mess already. Got hot and steamy goodness. Ooh. It's gonna burn my mouth. Some sour cream, and I have some jalapenos as well. Maybe. Oh my gosh, I did this before. Cut this out. Oh, sheesh. Oh, y'all. I'm gonna give this a minute to kind of like cool off a bit because I just poured it out the oven. So I want it to be burning hot. I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm salivating. It smells amazing. Okay. I have water. I'm gonna go first bite. I hope I don't burn my mouth. Oh, I dropped my. It's so good. That's so good. So I tried to put the food up higher, and obviously I'm in closer because it's just me. So let me know what you guys think of it being this close. Hot. This is seriously so amazing. Hot. Let's try it with some, I about said whipped cream. Let's try it with some sour cream. That's where it's at. And darn it, I always forget to do thumbnails. True fly. The sour cream definitely helps cut through the richness of the cheese. But yeah, I haven't recorded in like a week and a half almost. That's been kind of crazy here. So I need to try to record more this week. Where are they? Jalapenos went. There we go. Should I tell them about your incident? So, Tuesday, it was Tuesday, right? Yeah. Tuesday, I get a call at work, and Cody's like frantic. And I don't even remember exactly what he said. I thought he said that he ran his Tahoe into the garage. So, a little background story. Monday, he was dropping his son off, and his brakes like acted funny or whatever. I don't know exactly what happened. So he knew that there was an issue with his brakes. So Tuesday, I took him to work, and his mom was picking him up from work and took him and got, you know, what he needed or whatever. And so when I got the call, I was a little confused. Like, how did you, because he said something about a tree, and I wasn't like, there's no tree by our garage. Excuse me, not that I know of at least. So he's like, the ambulance is on its way, and basically like he just fucked his Tahoe up, like it wasn't repairable or whatever. So I work like 35 minutes from home, so it took me a while to get home. In the meantime, I tried to call him back like after I left work and I was driving, and he didn't answer. And so his mom calls, and his mom's like, oh yeah, they're putting him on the stretcher or on the gurney or whatever and loading him into the back of the ambulance, so that's why he's not answering. So I was like, okay. So then I get home and nobody's here except for our neighbor next door and his daughter. And so Cody's truck, like we have our driveway is kind of long, and on the side of our house we have a tree. It's kind of like catty corner from our front porch. So he was working on his brakes, and something didn't go right, obviously. And so he thought, oh yeah, I'll just like put the car in reverse, and my foot is asleep and it happens every time. I don't know why. It's like this, maybe it'll help. So he thought, oh, I'll put it in reverse and then put it in park again and see if that helps. And his car like took off. So it was in reverse, so it's going backwards down the driveway. He's like half inside the car, half outside the car. And so he hits like the side of our house where like the chimney is. Good thing he missed the air conditioner, just saying. And so after the chimney, he was like, obviously like, oh shit, I'm gonna head towards the road. So he tried to like turn the wheel, not really considering where he was. And being half in and out the car, and he like almost missed the tree, but since his door was open, his door caught the side of the tree and like folded like the opposite way that it's not supposed to open, and his foot got wedged in between his truck and the window, or the door, or Jesus, it got wedged in between the truck and the tree. So I don't know how he got it unstuck. I'm assuming just like adrenaline. He just pulled his foot out. But I guess he like hopped out. And the neighbor, there was a couple neighbors that were out, and they heard like a crash or whatever, so they assumed it was somebody on the road. So good thing there was like people here. But yeah, they called the ambulance, and yeah, they took him to the hospital or whatever. I'll try to like insert some pictures, but I don't know if I'm that good at editing yet. So yeah, he surprisingly didn't break it, but He still can't walk. I mean, he can walk, but not put weight on it. So, yeah, needless to say, we've had an interesting week. So that happened Tuesday, and then Friday we go to his doctor to like follow up. And his doctor like looks at it and he leaves the room and he comes back in and he's like, yeah, I consulted with an ortho physician and I'm gonna put more jalapenos on here, and I'm just concerned that it's compartment syndrome, and I want you to go to Toledo to the ER right now and have an evaluation because he would rather be safe than sorry. So, wasn't expecting that. So we have to come back to town. We pick up Braxton from school. Well, we pick up Bear from his mom's house and we pick up Braxton from school, and then we have to drop Bear off to his mom and then go to the ER. And yeah, we were there, how many? 4 hours? We were there for 4 hours. And like, the people were super nice, but we've seen 3 different doctors, 2 ER doctors, and then one what? Yeah, one ortho doctor. And the ortho doctor basically came in. None of the doctors thought it was compartment syndrome, but since we were there, they were trying to be like extra thorough. They did like blood work. They did another x-ray. And yeah, at this point, like, his foot is swollen and it's like worse than it was on Tuesday. But yeah, they basically, the ortho doctor was like, yeah, that's not compartment syndrome. So not really much more that we can do, blah, 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 blah. Like, it's at the worst stage now, so it'll get better. And then, so I think it was the next day. It was like Saturday or Sunday. Was it yesterday or Saturday? It started to feel better. Yesterday?
Yeah,
it was
Saturday and yesterday.
So when Saturday and Sunday, it started to get better. Like, the swelling was going down, and like, he couldn't really bear weight on it, but he could put more weight on it than he had been. So we were like, oh, okay, well, they actually knew what they were talking about. And then today's being Monday, now it's like swelling back up and painful, so I don't know. Super interesting. I told him we had to start geriatric proofing the house. He still doesn't think it's funny. So he's been on crutches. Tomorrow will be a week. He's a pro now. He hated him at first. Well, pretty sure he still hates him, but aww, it never fails. Always get stuff in my shirt. Darn it. I don't know what it is about this chair, but every time I sit here, my foot falls asleep. And I'm like trying to duck because my head's cut off. Oh, I stuck my fingers in. I should have given you guys a close-up. It's all like mush now because it's all mixed together. It's tasty mush though. I'm gonna try some ASMR. There's my take on ASMR. The minute you think. Just kidding. I can't do anymore. I can't believe I forgot. Cody's probably tired of hearing about it, but I did Walmart grocery pickup today. Where you order your groceries online, and then you just like drive up and you park, and they bring all your stuff out to you. It was amazing. It was so awesome. I guess if you needed something in a hurry, it probably wouldn't work, because I ordered my stuff yesterday, and if you need like certain time slots aren't going to be available. But anyways, if you can do it in ahead, like in advance, it's amazing. You should try it if you have it in your area, or if you haven't already. If you have, let me know. Let me know if you love it too. I was gonna do a story time, but nobody's probably here still watching, so maybe I'll do a story time next time. Yeah, I'm gonna end it. So thanks to all my new subscribers, I appreciate it. And if you've been here from the beginning, appreciate you as well. Don't forget to like, comment on this video, share this video. Yeah, and if you aren't already subscribed, please. And yeah, we'll see you next video. I guess not, I'll see you next video. Thanks guys.